The $1 mistake that can cost you thousands after a car accident. One simple mistake, just a few words, could cost you thousands after a car accident. I see it all the time. Someone gets into a crash and in the heat of moment, they say something that completely ruins their injury claim. So today, we are talking about the $1 mistake that could cost you big and how to avoid it. Alright, let's get straight to it. The biggest mistake people make after a car accident is apologizing or saying I'm fine. It seems harmless, right? But trust me, these words can come back to haunt your case. Let me explain why. Why saying I am sorry can destroy your claim. In the moment, it's natural to want to be polite. Maybe you are raised to say I am sorry out of habit. But after an accident, those two words can be twisted into an admission of fault. Insurance companies are trained to use your words against you. If you say I'm sorry, they might argue they admitted fault at the scene. They must be responsible. They do not deserve full compensation, even if the accident wasn't your fault. Number 2, why you should not say I feel fine right after a crash. Another mistake I see all the times, people downplay their injuries. Right after an accident, your body releases adrenaline, which masks your pain. You might think you're fine, but the next morning, your neck and back are stiff and you can barely move. Now imagine you told the police or insurance company, I'm fine. I do not think I need medical help. Guess what? Insurance will use that statement against you. They will say, you weren't injured. So why are you claiming pain now? Your injuries must have come from something else. That's why I always tell people, do not downplay your injuries. If someone asks you, how are you feeling? Just say, I need to get checked by a doctor before I can say anything. Next is, what should you say instead? Now I get it. If you cannot apologize or you say you're fine, what should you say? Stick to the facts. There was an accident. I need to call my lawyer. I need medical attention. The less you say, the better. So let's recap. One small mistake can cost you thousands. Do not apologize. Do not say I'm fine. Do not give a recorded statement without a lawyer. Instead, be smart, protect your rights, and call Solution Law before talking to insurance. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.